Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Ludi. Ladies and gentlemen, how's everyone feeling this evening? We could do a little bit better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, how's everyone feeling? That's right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the bride and groom, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining us. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to party and celebrate this very special and beautiful occasion, the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Ludi. At this present moment, I need everybody, family and friends, so please make your way to the dance floor and let's celebrate this very special night, the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Ludi. Come on, let's go!